C. Yes, correct. Then 3.
Sir, 3B.
Bangladesh. Yes, correct. Then continue.
4D.
Dhaka.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Then 5.
D.
Dhaka.
Yes, sir.
You said Dhaka or Bangladesh during BD.
Dhaka.
Yes. Yeah, 6.
6B.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Then 7.
C.
7 Dhaka.
C. C.
7
C, sir. C.
C.
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me. Alhamdulillah. Then 8.
Sir, okay.
8.
Sir, I didn't do it. I think I missed it.
Okay. Question mark. Here question mark. Then 9.
So 9C.
9C. Then 10
10B.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
11.
11C.
Very good. Then 12.
B.
12
B. Bangladesh.
cross. 12 cross. Then 13.
13D.
Yes. Well done. 14
14B.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Yes. So you got two question marks and one wrong, right? One cross.
Yes, sir.
Let's go now. Question number 1. Question number 1. Could you please read the question?
Three identical registers are joined in series to a cell. Voltmeter Q reads 8 volt. What is the reading on voltmeter P and what is the EMF of the cell?
Yes. So voltmeter Q reads 8 volt. They are identical resistors. If they are identical resistors, that means we are getting here 2R and here we are getting R only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is R, it will be 2R. Have you got it printed?
Y- yes, sir.
Okay, so note down it there. Now, if you are getting here any voltage sharing, you will get here double voltage sharing, right? According to potential divider rule.
Yes.
Can you remember the potential divider rule? Hello?
The the voltage is divided.
So, if you are getting here 8 volt, then here you will get 4 volt. Is it clear?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, very good. If you have any question, you should tell me. Look, we had the formula of potential divider. Can you remember the formula? If
Yes, sir.
if you have the formula, you can remember this one. V1 equals R1 by R1 plus R2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This way you got the formula and multiplied by V.
Yes.
You got this formula, right? So
Yes, sir.
this V is your power supply, right?
Yes.
You have to find it now. You know V1, that is 8 volt. This is 8 volt, right? Now you calculate and tell me what is the value of V you are getting. Your R1
Value of
is 2.
V1.
Yeah, you have to find V. Get it, then tell me what is your answer.
So the power supply is 8 volt.
They are saying voltmeter Q reads 8 volt. That means across these two, this is Q, right? Voltmeter Q.
Yes.
So here we are getting 8 volt. Power supply we have to find. This is power supply V. I wrote here V. Is it clear?
So sir, is it like 4 volt divided by 4, no, R divided by R plus 2R into 8.
No. Here we have V. V you make the subject. That means this
Oh,
R1 plus R2 will go this side and this R1 will go down. Then you put the values.
so the V1 is 8 volt.
No. Yeah. V1 is 8 volt. Correct. V is not. V we have to find. Yeah. V1 is 8 volt. Then R1 R plus R1 plus R2 is 3R divided by R. Then check. It's 2R, right? So it should be divided by 2R. Yeah. 3R by 2R.
Divided by 2R.
Because your R1 is here 2R, right? This
Oh,
one is
yes, yes,
V1,
sir.
you're thinking. So 3R divided by 2R,
Is it 12?
yeah, 2R multiplied 8. You got it now?
Yes, sir.
So your answer is 12. So power supply, if you have 12, if you have 12 volt here, you have across 2R 8 volt. So across P, how much you'll get? 4 volt, right? Rest of the volt.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? And
Yes.
it is simple way to get. If you use the formula also will get. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now uh, this if this one is clear, then we are going to next question. You wrote everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we we have to actually take the snap. If I take snap, it is better for us. I can send it.
Sir, 8 number is D, right?
Okay, wait. I'm checking. Give me a 10 seconds. Okay, I'm taking the snap of this question so that we can preserve it because this explanation is very important. Worksheet, worksheet. Mm. So your batch is 10 or 11?
The 11.
11, okay. The same batch only. Topic 20, topic 20, then MCQ 1, worksheet. Okay, now it's preserved there. Then question number which one?
Sir, 8.
8.
Isn't it D? Dhaka?
8 you had question mark, right? Yeah,
Yes, I
yeah.
did it
This
now.
one we gave in the notes also, right?
Yes, sir.
So your answer is Dhaka.
Yes.
Simple, right?
Yes,
Using the
sir.
potential divider rule. Then which one next?
12.
12. Okay, so which one? Okay, you had your question mark, right? Can you read the
Cross.
question? Can you read the question, please?
In the circuit shown, resistors X and Y act as a potential divider to control the speed of the motor. What is the reason for the potential divider?
What is the reason for the potential divider? Okay, so uh, they are saying resistors X and Y act as a potential divider to control the speed of a motor. Uh, if you control the speed of a motor, that means here uh, if you give more voltage, if you give here more voltage, then the speed of the motor will be more, isn't it?
Yes.
If you uh, if you do the reverse, then speed will decrease, right?
Yes, sir.
So how it is happening? By changing this variable resistor, right?
Yes, sir.
So to vary the EMF of the battery is not possible. Hmm? Potential
Yes.
divider, we cannot vary the EMF of the battery, so it is not your answer. To vary the direction of the current in X, direction is not changed, right? It is DC supply, so the direction always same. To vary the potential difference across the motor, to vary the resistance of the motor, which one is more appropriate?
Sir, C.
C, correct. Got it now? So potential divider varies the voltage sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
It's done, right? All the MCQs
Yes.
are done.
Sir.
Then structure. Did you try structured part?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
like current flow করে কোন direction? নেগেটিভ টার্মিনাল থেকে পজিটিভ নাকি পজিটিভ
Current
থেকে নেগেটিভ?
from now on till your end of PhD, if you are going to PhD also, you remember it. For current flow, we are following conventional current flow direction. Okay? For any calculation, for any rule, what we are following? Conventional
কনভেনশন
current flow. That is from positive to negative. If
ভোল্টেজ
they are asking you about only electron flow, that is from negative to positive. Otherwise, current always from positive to negative. Is it clear?
ভোল্টেজ
Voltage actually don't show any direction for voltage normally, but here we can think of voltage means you have the two terminals, right? Positive and negative both,
yes
isn't it? So for voltage, if you think of the current flow, same thing we are following also for voltage. Actually, for voltage, we don't give any direction. Voltage means there is potential difference, right? There is positive potential, there is negative potential. Is it clear?
তো স্যার যদি সিরিজে থাকে তো বুঝবো কেমনে যে কোন রেজিস্টারে আগে শেয়ার হচ্ছে ভোল্টেজটা?
According to, actually it happens together. Yeah, we don't say which one is faster, which one is later, but rather we say how much is shared. Okay, If it is shared, they will share all together, both of them together. Is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because electricity flow is going, fraction of seconds. So we do not need to think of which one is earlier, which one is later. It's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next. Yeah, please read. Question number one.
A potential divider is made from a light-dependent resistor and a 6 kilo ohm fixed resistor. The
Hmm.
potential divider is connected in series with a 12-volt DC power supply, and a voltmeter is connected across a 6 kilo ohm resistor. A light shines on the LDR. The resistance of the LDR is 2 kilo ohm. Calculate the current in the LDR.
Yeah,
So 6 ampere.
six. How six?
Like V equals to IR.
V equals IR. So you got here LDR. Uh, a light shines on LDR. The resistance of the LDR is 2 kilo ohms. Okay, so
Yes.
if it is 2 kilo ohms, then it is 6 kilo ohms. Then you are getting the one thing you got, that is the series circuit. Everywhere the current remains same, right?
Yes, sir.
There is only a single path, so everywhere the current is same. So what is your current in 2 kilo ohm? That current will be also in 6 kilo ohm. What is the difference in resistance and difference in voltage, but the current is same. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
So if you want to get that, you have to get the total resistance first. What is the total resistance here?
8 kilo ohm.
8 kilo ohms. 8 kilo ohms means 8 into 10 to the power 3,
Yes.
right? So what will be your current now? Can you calculate again?
So
I
12 divided
equals
by
V
8.
by R, right?
Yes.
So if it is I equals V by R, then calculate what is coming.
So is it 12 divided by 8 into 10 to the power minus 3?
No, 8 into 10 to the power 3. Kilo means 10 to the power 3, not minus 3.
Oh, yes.
Kilo means 1000.
So 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Yes, 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere.
Yes. So like, why do you need to add the resistance? Like we can just use the resistance of the LDR and find out the current.
Okay, very good question. Then you have to use potential divider rule to get the voltage across it. Then you can do that. Because you don't know what is the voltage over here. Do you know?
No, sir.
What is your mistake? I found that maybe you are taking for both of them 12 volt, but both of them, they will not be 12 volt. They will share because they are in series. Both of them
Yes,
will
sir.
be same if they are in parallel. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that one you had confusion, right?
So
Made mistakes.
yes. So
So now it's
calculation
clear
for
to you?
so while calculating, I have to convert a kilo ohm into ohm.
No, it's not actually necessary always. Here we need it because kilo kilo means thousand, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you are writing 10 to the power 3, it's automatically coming to ohm. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then next.
So select, can we
Yeah,
do just 12 divided by 8?
yeah, you can do it divided by 8, but if you are writing there kilo, then in here it will come milli because 1 by k means milli, 1
Oh,
by thousand.
milliampere.
Yeah, that
Okay.
one you can do, but you have to write here milliampere.
Okay, sir.
Then next,
Sir, 9 volt.
9 volt.
Like I didn't convert the kilo I just used the value 6 and 2.
Yeah, very good. Got it now?
So is it 9 volt or something?
Like you
Is it
got
just
here
volt?
6 kilo ohm, right?
Yes.
So 6 kilo means 10 to the power 3, 6 into 10 to the power 3. And that one you got 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, isn't it?
Yes.
So 10 to
Yes.
the power minus 3 and 10 to the power 3 will be cut. Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, continue, read.
Sir, the brightness of the light on the LDA is gradually increased. State and explain what happens to the reading on the voltmeter.
Yeah.
So it increases as the brightness increases, the resistance decreases.
Hmm. Yeah. So if your resistance decreases here, that means LDR LDR will have less voltage share than before.
Yes.
If it has less voltage share, then 6 kilo ohm will have more voltage share.
Yes.
So your voltmeter reading will increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Right here, voltmeter reading will increase as resistance of LDR decreases.
Yes, sir. Finished.
The next, it
Suggest a use for a potential divider made from an LDA and a fixed resistor. So street light.
yeah, street lights, any automatic light switch, right? Light sensor.
Yes.
Done. Question number 1 is done. Then question number 2, read.
A student makes a 2-volt battery by connecting two cells of electromotive force of 2 volt in parallel. The battery and ammeter with different ranges and three different resistors are used to set up the circuit shown in figure 2.1. Explain what is meant by electromotive force.
Yes. What is meant by electromotive force?
Electromotive force is the work done per unit charge to convert other forms of energy to electrical energy.
Very good. Write it. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then next, A2.
State one advantage of using two cells in parallel rather than using a single 2.0 volt cell. The cells last longer.
Very good.
Sir,
Very good. Yes. Yes.
like here the cells are in a parallel way.
Hmm.
So is does the work like the resistor like 1 by V plus 1 by V equals 2?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So the total voltage is 1 volt.
No. No. Actually, it's parallel one is not like that. Parallel one, we series one we are having adding, but parallel one will have the same voltage of the single one. Okay, 2 volt, 2 volt, 2 volt this way. Is it clear?
So like, so the total voltage is 4 volt.
Like we have two terminals right over there.
Yes.
So two terminals will get the same voltage of the single cell. Okay, this way it will
So
get 2 volt only, not 1 volt if it is parallel.
so why 2 volt? Like,
Yeah, this is uh, because the terminals, you see, the terminals are connected, and because of the potential difference in the single cell, uh, we are not dividing like the parallel rule. It's like working a single cell. Okay,
okay.
is it clear?
So how do we calculate the volt?
Volt we just uh, don't need to calculate, we just here get it parallelly. Okay, parallelly if you have single cell 2 volt, then you will count it as 2 volt for every that means all the combinations, and if it is 1.5 volt for the whole combination you'll get 1.5 volt.
If they're different volts, like 2 volt, 3 volt, and
Yeah,
1.5
that
volt.
is very good question. In our next class I will give you this answer. Okay, I'm checking it
Okay, sir.
because this one also in my mind, but I did not get yet the answer from anywhere, from any textbook or anything. In our next class I will give you the answer. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like this was also my question, that if we have like one is 3 volt, another one is 5 volt, another one is 12 volt, then how it will work. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Then next.
Resistor X and a 3 ohm resistor have a combined resistance and that is equal to 2 ohm. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Sir,
Yeah,
4 ohm.
let us check. They are saying resistor X and 3 ohm resistor have a combined resistance that is equal to 2 ohms. Yeah, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 4 ohms. Yes. Then next.
The resistance of X. Sir, I couldn't do it.
Yeah, you write RP formula.
So it's like,
The
is
one,
it like 1 by 3 plus 1 by X equals
like
to 2?
you write here now. RP equals, here you write R1 multiplied R2, right? Right? R1 multiplied
Yes.
R2, then divided by R1 plus R2. Right. So you know RP, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You have to find, uh, if you think one is R1, another one is R2, so which one is given, that is your R1, isn't it?
Yes.
And which one you have to find, that is R2. So here you put the all the values, then you'll get it. Do the working, you'll
So
get it.
RP is 2.
Yes, RP is given 2. Then here you are getting 2, 2 to the 4, 4, 4 plus 2 R2. Then again you are having 2 R2.
Like R1 into R2, it is 3x.
Hmm.
Then it is 3 plus x, like R1 plus R2.
Hmm. So R1 is given how much?
3
3.
ohm.
Okay, very good. Then it will be 3 to the 6, right? 6 plus 2 R2.
2x.
2
Yes.
R2, 2x. Okay, then you have here 3x again, right?
Yes.
So you calculate now.
So it is 6.
The value of x is 6.
Yes, sir.
6 ohms, yes, correct. The next,
Determine the reading of the ammeter.
mhm, reading in the ammeter. So to get the reading in the ammeter, where is the ammeter position? We have to see total current, right? So total
Yes, sir.
resistance you got, total voltage you have, total voltage is 2 because they are in parallel, right? Then you calculate. Can you see my laptop's charge on the screen?
No,
Is it
no, sir.
shown?
No.
No, you are not seeing. But here I have only 20% charge in my laptop. In the morning, the electricity gone. Then it will come in the afternoon. Okay, so we
Oh,
can continue only one meeting today. After that, we have to continue other class, other part next class. Okay,
okay, sir.
and
So it is
now what I can do for you, that is I can upload the mark scheme for you. Okay,
okay, sir.
if you if you go through the mark scheme, you will understand, and the one which you don't understand, that one will explain. Okay, you're you're almost done. We are almost done. But if we cannot finish, then I will upload the mark scheme. Okay,
So should I
clear?
start a new topic?
Yeah, you can start the new one, that is practical electricity, right? I will
Yes, sir.
I will upload the notes and the worksheet also. Okay, today.
Okay,
Then
sir.
you try some. So finish it, huh? And
Okay.
in our next class, we will have a test on DC circuit and our current electricity both together. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you get prepared on that, and we will discuss rest part. If anything is left today, that part we'll discuss. Then we will have the test. Okay, then we'll continue practical electricity again. Is it clear?
So what will I do now? The worksheet or practical electricity?
Yeah, finish the worksheet, revise, then do practical electricity if you have time.
Or like I will I will start after the exam.
Yeah. So our class is on Wednesday, right?
Ye- Yes.
Yeah. So you will have the test on Wednesday. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
You will have the test on Wednesday. Now what you have to do, I am saying again, clearly listen. This worksheet you will finish, okay?
Okay.
Then what you will do, you will revise topic 19 and 20. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Get prepared for the test, and parallelly you will also go through topic 21, that is practical electricity. I will upload the notes and worksheet. Is it
Okay, sir.
clear? As we have to go
Yes.
fast.
Okay, sir.
So done. Confusion gone.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer of C1?
Sir, 2 by 11.
2 by 11. Then what is your answer? Say in fraction.
Sir, 2 by 11 ampere.
2 by 11 ampere. How 2 by 11? What is
The
your
total
resistance? What is your resistance? Resistance here, they said already 4 ohm, right? The total resistance.
Oh, yes, yes, 4 ohm.
So what
Sorry.
should be your answer?
Sir, half, like 1 by 2 ampere.
Yeah, you write 0.5 in decimal. Always write your answer in decimal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So other part, I think very small part, right? That one we'll
Yes, sir.
discuss that day. Okay. We have to stop it,
Okay,
huh?
sir. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Other things I will talk to you in Messenger. Okay. When
Okay,
the
sir.
electricity will come, then I will upload everything. Okay. Not now. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir.